Okay guys, so next item natin. Buksan na natin. This one pala is from Rogen Dickinson or Rogen Ortiz. And wow, so all of these three is also sealed. Ayos. Check natin yung prices. And the first one, we have the 1 out of 10. This one is a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, 1 out of 10 collection. So this one is a maroon color. Ang kapal ng tires niya. Yes, so this is Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, and 23 out of 250. Yes, ganda. There. Ganyo. Again, I will not open these ones in this video. Maybe I'll have another video, so make sure to subscribe guys para you get notified if I have new videos for this diecast collection series in this channel. And the next one is the Nissan Patrol Custom. There. It's a race car, race team hill climb race vehicle build. Open yung hood niya para makita yung custom engine. May dual turbo sa left. There. Wala siyang spare tire. Kapal din yung tires niya. Meron siyang big clearance sa center but not much sa axle part. And this is Hot Wheels J Imports. Yep, J Imports. 1 out of 10 collection. And 20 out of 250. Okay, lagay natin dyan. Not yet. Display lang muna natin because this is their video. The next one is the 79 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss Limited. Okay, there. Ganda yung wheels niya. Built-Tech Sport Trucks, Hot Wheels. That's the roof. Meron siyang color black dyan. And engraved Chevrolet logo at the tailgate. And no paint yung lights niya. Plastic lang. So that's it. Good clearance then, except sa between the wheels, yung axles. So yeah, that one. And 5 out of 10 collection. This is 151 out of 250. Guaranteed for life, limited life warranty. Wow. So yan guys, I was able to get the 3 of this for 150 each. So that's 450 only. Again, I think this is solid na. Consider naka-sealed siya. Hindi siya loose. Even though the box are folded, but I don't really care because I really plan to open them and display them. That's why I bought them. But since I was able to nadami yung bili ko, and some of them might, you know, duplicate same model, so I might sell this again. So again, just follow my channel, subscribe, and notify mo I have a new video regarding selling this one or opening this one. Okay, so thank you for watching. Click next for the next video, the next box we will be opening. See you.